that? Who is that?
Who is that?
Who is that? Who is that?
Who is it?
Who is that, Nick?
Is that Lumberry?
Nick.
Where's the new one?
It's Uncle Kenny.
Surprise!
It's Uncle Kenny. It's Uncle Kenny.
I surprised you. I come to visit.
Yes, Uncle Kenny.
Yeah, Jack's here. Where's the new one? Where's the new one?
The new one's right here.
Oh, there he is. You told me you got a new one.
Nick, are you surprised? That's your big surprise. Everyone's surprised. I think it's still going.
Yeah, he's still waking up.
Who's that?